Mental Health Mates is a nationwide charity set up by Bryony Gordon in 2016. So her idea was just to get people out walking for their mental health, and it's just a kind of opportunity to be with other people. The Mental Health Mates Malvern group I set up in 2020, it's a chance for people to just be with other people, to talk, to get some support with whatever's going on for them. It's really nice to see the change in people, to see people kind of grow in confidence, to see people create friendships. It's just nice to kind of get to know people on a different level. We've all got mental health, and it's not something we're taught. It's not something we're kind of, comes up in school. It's really difficult to human. So for me, I think that Mental Health Mates is really important because it just gives people a space to talk or not talk. There's absolutely no pressure, but it's a chance to be with other people and to create friendships, to get you out of the house, to be in nature, and just to kind of be for a little bit.